welcome back to another one of my videos. If you don't know me already, my name's Steph and today's video is going to be about this stuff. We're going to try this stuff out. It's Mineral Magic by JML, as seen on the telly. I haven't seen it on the telly. Anyway, it's supposed to be amazing. It's a 3-in-1 correcting mineral powder, a foundation and concealer with built-in colour corrections. Right, it says take a look, squeeze me here, squeeze, and it looks like that inside. This pretty little star with all these coloured spots on it. Anyway, I'm going to read what it says on the back, because it says this mineral foundation and concealer is made with colour correction that helps mask even at perfections to give you radiant, beautiful looking skin. And it is so light and ultra fine, it won't even feel like you're wearing makeup. Ta-da. Anyway, it says full coverage with correction and concealer, matches your skin tone in moments, fragrance free, doesn't get caught in your wrinkles or your creases. That's what I need, that. And including professional stubby brush and compact with mirror. Okay. And it says 4 shades give you bright, flawless skin. Pink brightens and pales complexion. Yellow coverage for under and over eyes. Mint dulls redness, need some of that, and corrects discoloration, need some of that. Lavender camouflages, need you just put bag over it, camouflages yellow and powdered skin, whatever the hell that is. Anyway, I'll get it out of the package and I'll be back. Okay, I've moved the camera because the lighting wasn't very good where I was before, and as I'm demonstrating makeup, I thought you do really need proper light. So anyway, as you know, I've taken it out of the package and all that and showed you the picture. Now, before I put my foundation on, I've got to put my primer on. Now this is a Bonjour Blur the Lines primer. Bonjour Blur the Lines Liner, and it's base, whatever that is, Lessanti Effect. Oh, I don't speak French. It's smoothing and blurring primer. Anyway, I'm going to put some of this on. It does feel very soft. I don't know how much I'm supposed to put on because I'm no expert to this stuff. So I'm just going to put a bit on. I'm sorry if the camera keeps bobbing up and down a bit. It is the best place for me to do this at the moment. Anyway, it feels very, very soft, really smooth. Yeah, nice primer that. I don't know if I put enough on, but it's a nice primer. I like it. It's very soft, very smooth. Right. Anyway, that's that bit done. Now we got on to the exciting bit. Yeah, we had my stubby brush and me mineral magic. Perhaps you can do magic on my face, make me look 10 years younger. And £10 lighter would be good too. Right, anyway, I don't know how much I'm supposed to put on this, so I'm going to sort of go with the flow. Okay, so bear with. I'm gonna work. I'm just gonna cover my face. Let's go. Oh, do I, Nadine? My daughter says I have to dab. I have to dab with this kind of foundation, but I'm dabbing. If I'm doing it wrong, I'm very sorry. But I don't particularly wear a makeup very much. The time I wear makeup is if I'm going out, like to a party or out for dinner, or if I'm going out with friends. Sometimes I wear a bit of makeup. I don't wear makeup to go and pick the kids up from school or anything like that. So I am a bit of a novice even though I have been wearing it for quite a few years when I do wear it. I'm going to dab it. It feels very light. It's not a overly heavy foundation. It does feel quite nice. Don't want to put too much on. I like it to look quite natural, especially in summertime. Obviously you can put it under your eyes because it's supposed to have this correction thing in it that's supposed to help get rid of like discoloration and all that in your skin. Yeah, I don't think that's bad at all. Quite light coverage. Don't like it when it's like full on, like plastered on, and or when it goes orange and you like, yeah, not attractive. You look like being tangoed. Not an attractive look to me, but that's just my opinion, obviously. Right, I think that's about enough. It has corrected a lot of my redness. Obviously I haven't put on a great deal. You obviously can put on more if you want to, but I am only going shopping, so I don't really want it to be overly heavy. Plus it's summertime. You don't really want heavy makeup in summer, do you? Especially if you start sweating. Does it run off when you sweat? Because I don't know, because I don't often wear it. Let me know if you wear it a lot of makeup, and does it sweat off? Yeah, when you get hot sweat. Anyway, enough of that. Hope you've enjoyed this video, my little demonstration. If you want me to do any other makeup tutorials, then let me know. It's just a bit of fun to me. If you don't, then whatever. Please subscribe to my channel. Come back and watch me soon. Anyway, I'm gonna say bye. Bye, 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 bye. I'm going shopping now. Bye.